Hi guys, Eva and Ruben here. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we want to talk about why we call this channel On and Off. We want to compare city life and rural life. And why we're doing this, we are in a transition and eventually moving and retiring to our farm in Portugal. The farm that we are renovating, the house that we are restoring. The urban life, you have water from a faucet and you have food wrapped in plastic, or laundry could be just a push of the button. But out there is very different. We warm our water for showering with the sun. We eat the food from the land, and we wash our clothes by hands. We want to walk you through our land and show you how we do all this. It's simple, but it takes you back to essence.
We come from Miami, a mega city, a beautiful city, but we don't want to continue paying high prices for things that nature gives for free. We have the dream of becoming sustainable and living off the grid. On the other hand, the farm, or quinta in Portuguese, covers an approximate extension of 10 acres. However, due to the existing topography, it is challenging to provide an exact number in terms of area. Located at an altitude of approximately 950 meters above sea level, the quinta downhill from its access dirt road at the top to a beautiful active creek at the deepest of the property, about 500 meters above sea level. The property is legally composed of 4 plots, built on several terraces. These terraces run on a variety of steepnesses, with an average slope of 40 to 60 degrees. It is admirable how clever this terrain had been worked in the past by villagers. Vertical and horizontal circulation was achieved by means of ramps and staircases system, in some cases cantilevering from perfectly plumbed dry stone walls. These dry stone retainer walls were built by comunas using only natural resources harvested by hand from site. The most used material for this construction was the schistose stone. In order to minimize daily difficulties facing almost 200 meters of property's elevation gain, ancestors designed and built a variety of access paths interconnected each other at different altitude, most of them communicating nearby villages and neighboring structures.
Todo lo que está encendido aquí, toda la luz que se ve, es solar.
No se ve nada. Buenos días, desde aquí, desde la montaña. Nube, amanecimos dentro de una nube. Mira. We're not against modern life. Actually, we love technology and we'll still go back to the tall buildings and the traffic lights. We need to stay connected to share all this with you. But it's also about balancing. Sometimes it's about the rhythm of the land, the sound of the river, the food that comes from the soil. That makes life more interesting.